Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. This is a very random video. We're here at Elizabeth Quay station. Not something I thought I'd be making today. I was in the city studying in the library. I have year 12 exams at the moment. I've already done 3, I have 2 more to go. Did one this morning, but now look at this. It's raining, it's windy, and guess what happened? Transperth ferries were cancelled. Yes, there is rarely a video I make about ferries, especially a sudden disruption one. But you may recall here at Elizabeth Quay, there is the stand A900 ferry replacement. Every time there was like Midland Line shutdown with 900, we were like, hey, that's the ferry replacement number, you can't use that. But then like, oh yeah, ferry replacement hasn't been used for years. But now all of a sudden, on a random day, I was in the library and I just got notification. Transperth ferries are currently cancelled. Route 900 is operating. So I just left the library. I don't have an exam tomorrow, it's on Friday, so that's fine. And we're just gonna quickly rush here to Elizabeth Quay, and we're gonna be boarding the 900, which is another route I have to do that I've never done before, which is pretty much the same as the 35, but then just stopping in Mends Street instead of the old mill, of course, and running express straight there. So let's head down to stand A. Here we are. I never thought this stand would actually come into use again for ferry replacement. Like, the rain's not even that bad right now. I mean, it's mostly about the winds making the water crazy, but there's been worse days. Like yesterday was literally worse and nothing happened, from what I think. But anyway, here we are, 900 bus services to South Perth actually operating. We've already got a few people riding them. 2893 is operating one of the services. The other one is an NH. I forgot which number it was. We're just gonna wait here. It should only be those 2 buses. And we're gonna ride it across the river into South Perth. That's Mount Claremont Depot for 2893. So this, I don't know like which driver starts doing this when it's like an all of a sudden disruption for the ferry like this. They're just like, oh yeah, you're gonna do that instead. And I already heard from someone who's filming that the depot manager told the driver to go to the ferry replacement stand at Mends Street, but that doesn't even exist anymore since they refurbished it like a few years ago, so he got very confused. But yeah, let's just wait here now. Here we go, ferry replacement has arrived. Let's hop on board. And there it is. Here's the city. It's literally fine now. Rain stopped, water's calm, there's Tricia just sitting there. I don't know if it's gonna do a service anytime soon. But this is seriously not the conditions you would expect when there's ferry replacement out. It was much worse before. There was almost a storm, but it's fine now. Now that driver, he literally ran a red light completely willingly. You'll see it on the clips now. I'm not gonna do anything about it, but that's really strange. I've never seen a driver just straight up run a red light, like on purpose. That's so strange. So he did do that, yes. Oh, he is returning. Perth City, Elizabeth Quay. Bro, it's sunny, there's a ferry here and the driver's going back. That's funny. Yeah, this is such a clash. Ferry and bus operating at the same time. There's obviously no stand here, it just randomly parks like this. And it's almost the same as the 35, but then just before it gets to the middle it turns down and comes over here. So the NH is 1346 operating it. That's a lot cooler, I think. I saw it on the other side. Yeah, this is good to see as well. At least I wrote it, you know, because I try to write every unique section of Transperth services, and now I've done this as well. Although on the way back up it's obviously going to go up Mends Street here, which maybe I should write that as well. But I'd rather wait if 1346 comes, although the ferries will probably be starting up again soon. So yeah, that's the ferry replacement service. Just a quick look at that to say I've ticked that off and get the shots of a bus here at Mends Street. Oops, that car nearly crashed because the bus is blocking the road. It would probably be a lot cooler with the NH though. We might wait for that, but I don't know if they'll come back. And departing back up Mends Street, a bus straight up there is so strange. Actually, I should have filmed it from the street. But the driver's a bit annoyed at me filming, so especially because he ran the red light. Off it goes. Nah, that's a pretty good shot as well. Yep, 1346 is coming back. The ferry's still not running. Even though it's sitting right there and the conditions are almost perfect. Just a slight drizzle of rain. So we're gonna wait for it now and then take the return journey. Fully sunny now, literally. It looks like a nice autumn day. I mean, it is. It's not even raining, not even windy, and it's still cancelled. What is this? Like, when the trains are cancelled, they resume as quickly as possible, but this is so slow. I guess the drivers, like the masters of the ferry, just went home and now it's just not operating. That's pretty cool. And now in a moment we're gonna see the NH coming down from there. The route's so weird, like even though Mends Street is right here next to the Mill Point Road exit, it has to go all the way around where the old mill is just so it can get to this side of the road. So then it comes out down there with the great view of the city down that road. We actually did pass a 35 on the way there. Yep, there it is. It's really far away and probably you can't see. And my camera's super blurry at a distance. But it's turning down. That would be such a good shot by the water there. But then I'd have to run here. I mean, I could, but it's a long way down. Let's try to get a good shot over here. Here it comes with the city in the background. secondary having 900 filmed both ways on an NH as well. Again, I can say now every route in Perth is done because I hadn't done this. But yeah, that's cool. Thanks for watching. And I think the ferry drivers went home, so it's just gonna run this for like the rest of the day or for a few more hours. Actually, we should go look what's happening at Elizabeth Quay, like the actual jetty. Is there any sign or is everyone just confused? Well, we found the sign about the disruption over here. Elizabeth Quay bus port, bus station. So it's actually all blocked off here, the entire like border play area. So maybe there's actually something else going on. It's not about the weather, because it's fully sunny now. There's someone standing there and it's all closed off. I don't know what would have happened, but it looks like there's some other factor involved now, not just the crazy water in the winds. So I guess it's just gonna be cancelled for the rest of the day.